Hello guys, wherever you tuned in, it's another lovely day here in Japan. A happy new year 2021. This is my first vlog for this year, so I'm super excited and hoping that all is gonna go good. 2020 was a very challenging year for everyone, and we are hoping for the best. So actually today, as you can see, I've just installed a new windshield. It's a tall windshield. It's made by a company called Puig. This is the dark smoke version. So they actually got 3 versions: clear, light smoke, dark smoke. I think, yeah. So you can choose from those 3. It's not that I had an option, but if I had an option, maybe I would have gone for the light smoke, so that I can also see clearly, especially riding in the dark. Maybe I won't be able to see clearly through this shield here. But the reason actually why I decided to change from the stock version is the buffering, wind buffering on the helmet. Is just like all the wind was just being directed on the helmet. Let's take it for a short spin and see how it feels. Wow, today for the first time I'm just getting at this junction and the light turned green. I always have to wait over here. And on the weekday, the traffic around here is usually crazy, because this bridge is quite narrow and there are many cars over here. But as you can see, there's a construction of a new bridge over there, so I hope this will help to ease in the burden on this road. Yeah, of course, definitely. There's already, I can feel the difference. I can feel the difference. Oh, it's amazing how much difference it makes. Feel very relaxed. I'm impressed already. So I'm just gonna ride on this road and then get up, because I need to get something. I don't know how to call it, but I need to get something that I can use to unscrew the valve from the tube, because I need to change the tires on my super cab. So I guess I need that tool. Look kind of like a screwdriver, but specially made to unscrew the valve from the tube. So let's go and see if I can get this thing there. I don't know how I can explain it to the Japanese staff in the shop with my little Japanese, but I'll give it a try and see if I will get it. rider's stand. Okay, so I just got what I wanted. It's time to head back home. Thank you guys for staying tuned. I'd finally like to say that this windshield does a much better job compared to the stock, but will definitely recommend the light smoke version. Finally, here are some images of the bike with the new shield. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and if you have any questions, please don't forget to leave them on the comment section below. Bye. And I'll tell myself it's fine to be alone, just to find somewhere that finally feels like home. Oh, oh, oh. I hate all this overthinking.